In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add to your portfolio. In this case, we're going to add a Google document or a Google slide to the portfolio. And this is for 7th graders, so I'm going to just make it specific to them, but it would work for any grade. So the first thing you need to do is get out your Great Discovery, because we're going to put that in there, and also get out your SMART goals, because we're going to put that in there. There's a couple different ways you could do it. We could download this and put it in, or we can just share the link. And I think sharing the link is going to be easier for everybody. So you'll go into one of these documents and click share. And then you're going to click on the restricted and make it so that anyone with the link can view it. And we're going to copy that link. So now I've got the link on my clipboard. I'm going to go over to Xello and log in. And once you log into Xello, it should look about like this. You're going to be looking down the line here. Wait a second, this is not the right view. Let me get into student view. There we go. This is what it should look like to you. This is a 7th grade view. So you're going to click over here onto your portfolios, and you're going to add portfolio. We're going to call this portfolio, just to keep it easy, we're going to keep it 7th grade portfolio. And our description is going to be, this is all of my portfolio items for 7th grade, or something like that, just anything. And then click create. Now, after you click create, don't worry about this cover image, because every time you try to add a cover image, it does not work. So we are going to add a section, and this section is going to be, we'll call it, I'm just going to call it portfolio items because I don't remember what I should call it. And we are going to make it a external media, because we're going to add something from the outside into here. And instead of dragging and dropping a file, which you could have done, if we downloaded this, you could drag and drop that file into here. But instead, we're going to just do a link. And you're going to paste, which is Control V, that link in there, and it'll upload. So now we're going to hit next. And you see that it's called SMART Goal. We're going to call it SMART Goal. There's a lot of redundant steps in here, but that's okay. SMART Goal, fast SMART Goal, and we don't need to put a description here. We could. This is my SMART Goal paper. Add to portfolio. Now, if we look in our portfolio for our 7th grade portfolio, I've got SMART Goal, and there is my SMART Goal. We could add more media to this section. So I might change this section to goals or something like that, but we'll work about that later. So now go back into the Great Discovery, and we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to click share and make it so that anyone with the link can view it. Copy the link. We're going to go back over here to Xello, and we're going to add media. External, just like last time. We're going to add a link like last time, and we're going to paste it in and say upload. And now we'll say next, and you'll see Great Discovery. Title is The Great Discovery. The Great Discovery. This is my Great Discovery slide show. Add to portfolio. And now we've got portfolio item, we've got SMART Goal, and the Great Discovery. So I'm not going to change this. I'm going to leave it just like that. And now you have just added those two things to your portfolio. So if we go back home and we look at portfolios, hey, look at this. This is my 7th grade portfolio. And in my 7th grade portfolio, I've got my SMART Goal paper and I've got my Great Discovery. That's what you should end up with. Don't be afraid to hit pause if you need to, and feel free to rewind this if you need to. All right, go ahead and get those in there.